ATAS versus Quantower. Which trading platform should you use? Choosing the right trading platform is about more than just chart layouts. It comes down to order flow tools, broker connectivity, customization, automation features, and how flexible you want your setup to be. ATAS and Quantower are both professional grade platforms designed for active traders, particularly in futures, stocks, and crypto markets. While they share some similarities, their strengths are quite different. This comparison breaks down how each platform works so you can decide which one fits your trading approach. ATAS is built specifically around order flow and volume analysis. It specializes in footprint charts, cluster charts, delta tools, and advanced volume profile studies. The platform is designed to help traders analyze market imbalances and liquidity shifts in detail. ATAS offers customizable workspaces, market replay functionality, and integration with multiple brokers and data feeds. Its interface is modern and visually structured, making complex volume data easier to interpret. ATAS is particularly popular among futures traders who rely heavily on footprint and delta strategies. Quantower takes a broader, multi-asset approach. It supports trading across futures, stocks, forex, crypto, and options through numerous broker integrations. Quantower provides advanced charting tools, DOM, depth of market trading, algorithmic trading support, and a wide range of built-in indicators. The platform is modular, allowing traders to customize panels, layouts, and workflows extensively. Quantower also supports automated strategies and API integrations, making it appealing to traders who want both discretionary and algorithmic capabilities in one environment. Another major difference is focus. ATAS versus charts deeply on volume-based order flow analytics, while Quantower aims to be an all-in-one multi-asset trading terminal. Traders who prioritize footprint and cluster chart precision may prefer ATAS. Those who want broad broker access, automation, and multi-market trading flexibility may lean toward Quantower. Feature comparison: ATAS and Quantower are both advanced platforms designed for active traders, but they serve slightly different needs. ATAS excels in order flow analysis with footprint charts and volume-based tools. Quantower stands out as a flexible, multi-asset trading terminal with strong automation and broker connectivity. While ATAS focuses deeply on volume analytics, Quantower provides broader market access and modular customization. Final thoughts. If your trading strategy revolves around detailed order flow, footprint charts, and volume imbalance analysis, ATAS may be the better choice. If you trade multiple asset classes and want strong broker integration along with automation capabilities, Quantower could be the more versatile option. The best platform ultimately depends on whether you prioritize specialized order flow precision or broad multi-market flexibility.